Hey everyone, today we're going to review the Accessory SC2, a versatile camera suction cup mount. If you are a content creator, this is an essential piece of gear to have in your kit. It's not just a car mount. You can mount it pretty much on any flat surface. At first glance, it looks incredibly sturdy, ideal for use with GoPros, phones, or even hefty digital cameras. Setting it up was a breeze. I had it assembled in under 10 minutes. Here's how it works. Just press it onto a smooth, clean surface and push the side button until it's firmly suctioned in place. Then voila, you're ready to capture those stunning cinematic shots. Price-wise, I grabbed mine for around $40 to $45 on TikTok Shop, but I've observed that the price fluctuates depending on Accessory's weekly discount offers. That's all for now. If you own one, share your experiences in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.